Have you ever wondered what it would be like to own a car that's not just a mode of transportation, but a true work of art? Well, today we're going to explore the Bugatti Tourbillon, a hypercar that redefines the boundaries of automotive engineering and design. The development of the Bugatti Tourbillon was guided by the 115 years of Bugatti history and the words of Ettore Bugatti himself. The car's design and engineering teams were tasked with creating the next exciting era in the Bugatti hypercar story, drawing inspiration from the brand's most iconic models. With a starting price of 3.8 million euros, the Tourbillon is set to be a true collector's item, with only 250 examples to be built. Hand-assembled at the Bugatti Atelier in Molsheim, the Tourbillon represents the pinnacle of automotive craftsmanship, blending cutting-edge technology with timeless elegance. As the first Bugatti in more than 20 years not powered by the iconic W16 engine, the Tourbillon marks a new chapter for the brand. The name itself, a reference to the intricate tourbillon mechanisms found in high-end watches, perfectly encapsulates the car's character, a masterpiece of engineering and design, destined to be revered for generations to come. At the heart of the Tourbillon's design is the iconic Bugatti horseshoe grille, from which all the car's lines originate, shaping the central fuselage volume. Bugatti's signature design elements, like the Bugatti line, have been seamlessly integrated into the Tourbillon's striking silhouette, creating a sense of speed and power even at a standstill. The Tourbillon's exterior is not just about aesthetics. Every surface, intake, and vent has been meticulously honed to balance the enormous aerodynamic forces of a car traveling at over 400 km/h. Bugatti's engineers have drawn on over 20 years of expertise from the Veyron and Chiron to develop several patented technologies that allow the Tourbillon to achieve this incredible performance. The rear wing, for example, remains submerged during top speed runs, with a perfect equilibrium of forces generated by these innovations. The wing is utilized to establish higher downforce at slower speeds and as an air brake for improved stability under deceleration. At the heart of the Tourbillon lies an all-new 8.3-liter naturally aspirated V16 engine, developed in collaboration with Cosworth. This engineering marvel delivers an astonishing 1,000 horsepower, complemented by an additional 800 horsepower from 3 electric motors, resulting in a combined output of 1,800 horsepower. The seamless integration of the combustion engine and the hybrid powertrain allows the Tourbillon to effortlessly switch between combustion, hybrid, and pure electric modes, ensuring exceptional performance and efficiency in any driving scenario. The Tourbillon's acceleration is nothing short of breathtaking. 0 to 100 km/h 62 mph time of just 2.0 seconds and a 0-400 km/h 248 mph time of under 25 seconds. Step inside the Tourbillon, and you'll be greeted by a cabin that exudes timeless elegance and attention to detail. The instrument cluster, constructed by Swiss horologists to precise watchmaking tolerances, features over 600 components and is designed to keep the driver's focus on the road. The floating solid aluminum console flows gracefully into the transmission tunnel, encased in crystal glass and housing intricate control functions. Hidden from view until desired is a high-definition digital screen, offering seamless mobile connectivity and advanced vehicle data displays. The seats are fixed directly to the floor, allowing for the lowest seating position and a lightweight design, while the pedals and steering wheel are adjustable to provide the ideal driving position. Inspired by the world of top-tier motorsport, the Tourbillon's interior combines practicality and high-performance control. The Tourbillon's performance capabilities are nothing short of extraordinary. With a top speed of 445 km/h 276 mph and a 0 to 100 km/h 62 mph time of just 2.0 seconds, this hypercar is truly in a league of its own. The advanced hybrid powertrain, featuring a powerful V16 engine and 3 electric motors, delivers an unparalleled combination of raw power and instant torque, ensuring exhilarating acceleration and uncompromising responsiveness. The Tourbillon's lightweight construction, advanced aerodynamics, and cutting-edge suspension and braking systems work in harmony to provide a driving experience that is both thrilling and confidence-inspiring, even at the highest speeds. The Bugatti Tourbillon is a limited edition model, with a production run of just 250 units. Priced at an eye-watering 3.8 million euro, approximately USD 4.2 million. The Tourbillon is a true collector's item, destined to become a legendary icon in the annals of automotive history. The Bugatti Tourbillon is a testament to the brand's unwavering commitment to pushing the boundaries of automotive excellence. This breathtaking hypercar seamlessly blends raw power, cutting-edge technology, and timeless design, creating a driving experience that is both exhilarating and awe-inspiring. As Bugatti continues to redefine the limits of what is possible in the world of high-performance vehicles, The Tourbillon stands as a shining example of the brand's relentless pursuit of perfection. This masterpiece of engineering and craftsmanship is destined to become a true icon, pour l'éternité for eternity. Thank you for joining us on this exploration of the Bugatti Chiron Tourbillon. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them below. Thanks for watching.